Hey guys, it's Sierra here with JB's Power Center, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Trigger wireless control system. The Trigger accessory controllers are a 12-volt power distribution center that is used to control your other 12-volt accessories. They are available in a 6-channel as well as a 4-channel. And with Trigger, there is no need to run wires through your firewall or damage your dash. These Trigger controllers are weatherproof and are easy to install. All Trigger control systems include an industry-first wireless control system. Take control of your wireless accessories using the RF remote with rocker-style switches and ambient backlighting. There's ambient backlighting while on battery power and individual switch lighting while on 12-volt power. Trigger has 2 models in their lineup. There's the 6-shooter and there's a 4-channel. Both of them require only 1 connection to the battery and then take the current and distribute it to 6 or 4 fuse-protected channels. The 4-channel is a much more affordable option when less outputs are required. The best feature of all is Trigger's free mobile app, which allows you to unlock many more features loaded into the Trigger. In addition to turning lights on and off, the app allows you to control things like brightness as well as a flashing mode with compatible lights. What about accessories like a train horn that require momentary activation rather than just a standard toggle on or off? The app's got you covered. The app provides the functionality and the settings to go in and change individual circuits from being toggle to momentary action. In the app, you can edit your accessories' names, you can view detailed instructions, as well as setting switch modes in the comprehensive settings screen. The downloading and the use of the Trigger Plus app is free. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box. In the box, you will find the Trigger unit itself, the remote, 6 leads with waterproof connectors, a 100-amp fuse which provides the whole system with protection, and all the mounting hardware. If you're looking to hook up less than 4 or 6 accessories, but you still wanted wireless control, you can use the new Trigger One Bluetooth wireless relay. The Trigger relay is a solid-state relay with Bluetooth technology built in that is used from the mobile app. All you have to do is unplug your standard relay and then plug in the Trigger Wireless One relay, which gives you immediate wireless control from the Trigger app. If you're interested in learning more about the Trigger wireless accessory control systems, make sure to give us a call at one of our JB's locations or check it out on our website at jbspowercenter.com.